life on the line several times for these niggas. And these the same niggas I catch them out here, I'ma kill them. It's fucked up out here. At first they cross it and play victim. Your big homies ain't right, Lil' Walt lost his life to the system. I fucked off, I lost 3 million tryna satisfy these bitches. I been on this KTV business, gotta maximize these riches. Put the hood on my back just for the project till he fit me. I made it with this rap and the same devil tried to trick me. On the right, I'm moving swiftly. I'm shifting through the city trying to duck fade love. One day I have everything I vision of. I was in that field slinging that still for real, now I get it done. Blood, sweat, and tears behind the scenes that y'all ain't get to see. It's still some unfinished business I ain't get to complete. She say if I wasn't rich, then she wouldn't have to compete. If I wasn't famous, cause the different bitches on the daily. I ran my money up, gotta fight for my love. I know she missing me, cause I'm missing her. I'm saying like how the fucking one day I ate 60 perks. I'm still trying to figure out how to get this shit to work. Got a tray whole engine on the stick, I put it in reverse. Then I slide, coming with my youngest, me and them jits gon' run up in your eyes. 2 sticks in a handgun in this runner, they ain't for enterprise. Jump out, get a hit, we handle business on my fucking side. License plate flipping on that mission every time we ride. Everybody remember me in the project from back in the day. 14 the first time I shot a nigga, 14 selling legs. 15 I was running in them stores, give me everything. Drew down on my big homie like make sure I get fucking paid. Fuck you mean you getting more, that ain't how this finna go. You weren't with us in the store, you was hiding in the moat. Switch the wood, I switched the flow again, you ain't even know. I ain't playing, I'm coming to get my man, I'ma give him man's hope. We get the low nigga,